All right, so welcome to Discrete Learning Institute. My name is Tutor Solutions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pay for your favorite courses on our website and actually how to access the course materials. So what you need to do is open up a browser like this one, okay, on your phone, on your PC or your tablet, and then just type in discretelearning.com. So you can see discretelearning.com, and then you click enter. Okay, so this is going to take you to our website. Okay, so this is the landing page of our website. So now here you just click start learning now, and then it should take you to the login page. Okay, so I'm assuming you've already watched the video of how to create the account. So click start learning now, and then it takes you to the login page here. Okay, so since you've already created an account, just put your email there. Okay, and you put your password there, and then you can log in. If this is the first video that you're watching, okay, you just go here, create an account. Okay, you create your account, you put your credentials, and then now you come and log in. If you forget your password, you just click the forget password feature, and then you'll be able to reset. So I've put my email and I've put my password. Now I can log in. Okay, so I've logged in, and this is inside the website. Okay, so you can see here it's saying you don't have any active course subscriptions yet. Go to get started, go to the learn menu and then choose a course, or click here to actually browse the courses. Okay, so what you have to do here is actually just click here. Okay, click here to browse the available courses, and then you wait for it to load. Okay, so it has loaded here. So you can see now here on top there are filters. So there's all courses. There's here where if you click, only the first year courses will appear. There's some free courses, okay, for free data that will be providing. There's medical courses, okay, and there's second year math courses, third year math courses, and even the course that will add in future. We're going to put a filter there, okay. So if, for example, you are in first year, okay, you just click here where it says first year courses. Click there, okay, and then wait for it to load. So once it loads, it means only the courses, okay, for a student who is in first year are going to appear. Okay, so you can see here there's foundation mathematics, there's chemistry, there's foundation physics, there's foundation biology, and there's also this foundation math here. Okay, so now it doesn't matter the university where you are from, you can still learn from our platform. So if you are at UNZA, okay, and you want to register for chemistry, select this one. If you are at UNILAS, Apex, any other university, select the same one, okay? And then for physics, again, do the same. Any university where you belong to, just choose foundation physics. You're going to find the materials there. For biology, you choose foundation biology. Okay, the only difference comes in when you're talking about math. So if you're at UNZA, okay, and you are doing NS, it's either you take math 1120 or math 1100. So your course is this one. You come and select this one if you want math, and you are at UNZA taking 1120 or 1100. Okay, but if you are from any other university, okay, Apex, Unilas, Mulungushi, okay, CBU, you have to choose foundation mathematics. And as well as if you are at UNZA but you're taking math 1110. So this is from the humanities department. If you're from at UNZA and you're taking 1110, you choose this foundation mathematics, or you are from any other university. Okay. All right. And maybe if you're not a first year, for example, you're doing medical courses, you just click there medical courses, and the courses for the medical courses are going to appear. You can see biochemistry, human anatomy, human physiology, organic chemistry, pharmaceutical chemistry, and the like. Okay. But let's try to actually subscribe for any of these. Okay, so I'll just choose foundation math. Okay, I choose foundation chemistry. So you can see now here, there's this arrow that is pointing down. So this arrow, you can actually use it to change the duration of your subscription. Okay, let's say you want to just pay for a week. You can click there and you select week. So you see the week has different price, 2 weeks has different price, 3 weeks, 1 month. If you want to pay in advance, okay, you can select 3 months, 4 months, just like that. Okay, so you click there to select your duration. Even here, you can click, select the duration. So here I'm just going to select 1 month. Okay, so I've uh, picked two courses and that one shows me the total. Okay, so you just then have to click on proceed to pay. That is if you're using a PC or something that has a big screen like a tablet. But if you're using a phone, this proceed to pay is actually going to be at the bottom. So you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom here. That's where you're going to find the proceed to pay. But if you're using a laptop, like I am using a laptop or a tablet that has a big screen, then the proceed to pay will just be here. So then you just click proceed to pay. Okay, and then here to show you the summary of again what you've selected and the total. Okay, so here you can also change the duration. You can see there. Okay, but the price is going to change here depending on the duration. Even here you can select the duration, the price is going to change. And then you go on review and pay. So review and pay, this here shows you or tells you what you're going to subscribe, what you're going to access for that particular course. So for example, this one says subscribing to this course gives you access to full topic lessons, full past paper solutions, full tutorial sheet solutions, live interactive online lessons, consultations, and support at any particular time. Okay, so you read all these things and then you agree so that you know what you're going to access. Okay, so once you agree, you can move this thing down and then you just tick here, okay, to say that, okay, I agree. Okay, so you agree and then you can see that this now has come to life. Okay, if I untick it, you can't continue here. So you have to check this and then you say proceed to pay. Okay, and then here, the number, okay, for the number that you're going to use to make payment is going to it's going to ask you to put the number that you're going to use to make payment. Okay, so you just put your MTN number there or your Airtel number there where the money is. Okay, and then once you do that, you just click pay now. Okay, so once you get this screen on your phone or on your laptop or on your tablet, then a prompt is going to appear on your phone asking you to put the PIN, okay, or the password to the mobile money account. Okay, and once you put the PIN or the password to the mobile money account, it means that you've actually subscribed to the course. So you just wait for 5 minutes, okay, so that the system can read your payment, and then now you just come and click here, go to the courses. Then you'll find that your subscription is active. Okay, so let me just put the PIN on my phone. Okay, so now I've put my password and I've waited for about 5 minutes. Then you can just go to courses. Okay, so you'll find that those courses, okay, that you selected have now been what? Subscribed for. Okay, so you can even check your duration here. Um, this subscription is starting at that particular date, it's ending at that particular date. Okay, so it means you've subscribed. And then now, if you want to access what is in the course. Okay, it's the same for any other course. You just say open the course. Okay, let me use math. So open the course there. Okay, let me just wait for it to load. Okay, so if I open the course, you can see that there is this folder, General Math. So you can just click on it. And then inside you find the topic lessons, summarized notes, tutorial sheets, and the past quiz, test, and exam papers. So you can use all those things to actually study and pass your assessments. Okay, so for example, if you go in topics, you'll find all the topics. Okay, summarized notes, you find summarized notes on all those topics. You find solutions to all the assignments, and here you find solutions to all the past papers. Okay. So once you're done with the subscription, make sure you come here. You've seen here where it's written WhatsApp group there. Okay, so that you join the registered WhatsApp group after you make payment. Otherwise, you're going to miss you're going to miss the links for the live classes. Okay, so you just click on the WhatsApp group and then you join your particular group. So this students is for UNZA. and is doing NS. Okay, so I'll just click there, unza NS registered. And then it takes you here, and then you just say open the app, you join the registered group. Okay, so that's how you can easily make payment on our platform. Okay, so pay now and enjoy learning on our platform. And once you make the payments here, always remember to go to Play Store. So open Play Store and download our mobile app. So on the mobile app, you are even able to download the videos and actually watch them offline. You don't always have to have data. So go to Play Store, search Discrete Learning Institute. Okay, the app is going to come. You install that app and then you start learning even offline. All right. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. This has been Tutor Pro Solutions. Until next time, I was there for you.